Hey there, my fellow couch potatoes. What if I told you you could eat your way to a slimmer waistline while binge watching Netflix? I'm talking about smart meals. Meals that burn fat while you're doing absolutely nothing. No intense workouts, no starving yourself, just tasty food, working harder than you do. Today, I'm serving up 7 lazy meals that'll turn your metabolism into a fat-burning machine, even when you're in full-on relax mode. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your plate the same way again. Let's geek out for a second. Your body burns calories in 3 ways: basic metabolism, digesting food, and physical activity. And guess what? Around 60 to 70% of your daily calorie burn comes from just existing. Yep, breathing, thinking, keeping your heart beating. Basically, you're already burning more calories than I do ordering takeout on a Friday night. Here's where it gets fun. Some foods have a high thermic effect. They force your body to work harder to digest them, which means more calories burned. It's like having a personal trainer in your stomach, minus the yelling. Meal number 1, the protein power bowl. Ready to be wowed? Protein burns up to 30% more calories than carbs or fat while digesting. Start your day with Greek yogurt, berries, and almonds. That combo alone, your body burns about 8,100 calories just processing it. That's like a 10-minute walk without the walking. Protein also keeps you full for hours. Say goodbye to those snack attacks. Plus, berries are full of antioxidants, keeping your metabolism smooth, like a luxury car. But wait, the next meal turns up the heat. Meal number 2, the spicy metabolism booster. Let's get spicy, literally. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which can boost your metabolism by up to 25% for 3 hours after eating. Try this: grilled chicken breast, quinoa, black beans, and jalapenos. It's like sending your metabolism to the gym, while you stay cozied up on the couch. Lean protein builds muscle. Quinoa gives steady energy. And those peppers? They're firing up your fat furnace. Pro tip: even mild peppers work. No need to burn your face off to see results. And speaking of fire, meal number 3 is a total game changer. Quick pause. Loving these lazy, fat-burning hacks? Hit that like button and tap subscribe. I drop science-backed shortcuts like this every week. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a LazyFit tip. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Now, back to the greenest meal of all. Meal number 3, the green machine. Leafy greens are basically negative-calorie foods. Your body burns more calories digesting them than they actually contain. It's like having a calorie debt, but in a good way. Make a big spinach salad with salmon, avocado, and olive oil. Omega-3s in salmon reduce inflammation and boost fat burn. Healthy fats keep your hormones balanced. Studies show this combo can boost fat burn by 14% compared to low-fat meals. And honestly, you'll feel fancy AF, like you should be on the cover of a wellness mag instead of scrolling cat memes. Meal number 4, the slow burn champ. Complex carbs are your lazy fat-burning secret. They give you steady energy and keep fat burning long after you eat. Try steel-cut oats with cinnamon and walnuts. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, stopping those crashes that send you hunting for junk food. And bonus, whole grains burn 10% more calories during digestion than processed carbs. It's like choosing the scenic route. Slower, more effort, but totally worth it. Meal number 5, the nighttime fat torch. Get ready for this. Having casein protein before bed can increase overnight fat burn by up to 22%. Your body literally burns fat while you dream. Try cottage cheese with berries and a drizzle of honey. Slow-release protein feeds your muscles overnight. And the natural sugars? They help you sleep better. Better sleep equals better metabolism equals easier fat loss. Yes, please. Meal number 6, the hydration hero. Green tea with lemon and a handful of almonds? Not just a snack. It's a sneaky metabolism booster in disguise. Green tea burns 17% more fat. Almonds keep your hormones in check. And the lemon? It helps you absorb more antioxidants from the tea. Basically, this snack is your metabolism's personal assistant, and it's doing a great job. Meal number 7, the ultimate lazy dinner. Say hello to your new best friend, the sheet pan dinner. Toss salmon, broccoli, and sweet potatoes on a tray. Season, roast, done. You've got high-protein, fiber-rich veggies, and complex carbs, all working together to torch fat. And the best part? Your body keeps burning calories for hours after dinner's over. While you do, absolutely nothing useful. 10-10 would recommend. And there you have it, 7 lazy meals that burn fat even while you're chilling in your pajamas. Remember, the best diet is the one you can actually stick to. And these meals make fat loss feel way less stressful. So let me ask you, which meal are you trying first? The spicy metabolism booster or the overnight fat torch? Drop your answer in the comments. And hey, if you want more lazy girl fitness tips, tap like, hit subscribe, and ding that bell so you don't miss a thing. Your LazyFit journey is just getting started. Oh, and don't miss next video. Morning wake-up walk. Boost energy and burn calories in 10 minutes. Changing. Morning rituals. You're gonna want in. Until next time, stay lazy, stay healthy,